Today, the Alfa Romeo Junior has earned a spot on the prestigious shortlist for the European Car of the Year award, highlighting its impressive standing among the finest in the automotive world. Guys, please like, share, and subscribe our CWJ Auto channel for upcoming cars news. This recognition follows a thorough evaluation by a diverse jury consisting of 60 automotive journalists from 23 different countries who assessed a total of 42 vehicles. After an intense round of assessments, the 7 vehicles that remain on the shortlist will undergo further scrutiny, focusing on predetermined criteria, before the winner is crowned on January 10, 2025, at the Brussels International Motor Show. For Alfa Romeo, the Junior represents more than just a new model. It is a return to the compact car market, available in both fully electric and hybrid versions. Advancing to the final stage of the Car of the Year competition is a significant achievement for the Alfa Romeo Junior. A global panel of automotive experts, with a broad range of experience from across Europe, has put this small yet powerful vehicle to the test. They evaluated every facet of the Junior, including its driving dynamics, comfort, design, and technological innovations. These 7 vehicles will now undergo additional technical assessments and dynamic road testing to determine the ultimate winner. On January 10, 2025, the final decision will be made and one car will emerge as the 2025 European Car of the Year, with the prestigious award being announced during the Brussels Motor Show. In terms of design, the Junior retains the elegance and charisma that Alfa Romeo is known for while incorporating the latest technological advancements. The car is equipped with features that enhance both driving comfort and driving dynamics, such as a spacious 400-liter trunk, which is the largest in its class. This ample cargo space makes the Junior a practical choice for daily driving as well as long trips, lending functionality with style. Drivers can choose from 2 powertrain options, a fully electric version and a hybrid model. The hybrid variant will be available next year in the UK as the Hybrida, which features a 48V hybrid VGT, variable geometry turbo, engine, delivering 136 horsepower. For those seeking higher performance, the Veloce variant takes things to the next level, boasting a 280 horsepower engine, a Torsen limited slip differential, and a sport-tuned suspension that enhances its already sharp handling. Meanwhile, the Junior Elettrica offers 2 different power outputs: 156 horsepower with a range of up to 255 miles on a full charge. In addition to its outstanding driving dynamics, the Alfa Romeo Junior Elettrica offers a superior driving experience with remarkable agility and lightness on the road. With its combination of cutting-edge technology, engaging driving dynamics, and Italian flair, the Alfa Romeo Junior is poised to make a lasting impact in the automotive industry. Whether you're seeking a compact car with the thrill of sporty performance or an eco-friendly electric option with practical features, the Junior delivers an exceptional driving experience that stands out in its class. As it continues to captivate automotive enthusiasts across Europe, the Junior's spot on the shortlist for the European Car of the Year reflects its potential to reshape the future of small, sporty vehicles.